Welcome to the TRUEGRID Pro Plus, the world's strongest commercial permeable paver. Its thick-walled cell design provides extreme compressive strength to handle heavy loads and heavy traffic. Pro Plus is H20 and HS20 rated. The S-flex joints provide expansion-contraction properties for soil movement, so that Pro Plus works in all climates and soils. X-anchors allow gravel infill to anchor the grid, making staking unnecessary. The heavy-duty 3-point locking tabs and modular design enable fast, easy installation. TRUEGRID is 100% pervious and drains instantly at over 800 inches per hour. Stormwater is detained in the 40% void space in the cross-section in and below the grid. With the patented ADA-compliant TRUEGRID system, you can drive on the surface and detain water below. No runoff, no flooding. Fill Pro Plus with gravel or grass for a natural aesthetic. TRUEGRID pavers are made in the USA from 100% post-consumer recycled high-density polyethylene, saving plastic from oceans and landfills. Our full line of paving accessories makes it easy to design smart, efficient, 100% permeable parking lots with stormwater detention and save land and money. The Pro Plus paving solution from TRUEGRID. True to your project, true to the environment. Welcome to the TRUEGRID Pro LITE, the world's strongest residential and light commercial permeable paver. Get rid of muddy areas, stabilize grass or gravel, and add drainage. Fill Pro LITE with gravel or grass for a natural aesthetic. Simply throw down on compacted gravel or soil for stabilization. Or add base rock for a drainage and support layer. Pro LITE's thick-walled cell design provides extreme compressive strength to handle all residential and light commercial projects, including gravel or grass driveways, parking pads, RV parking, shed bases, walkways, pet areas, and more. The TRUEGRID Pro LITE is H20, HS20 rated to handle heavy loads when needed. The S-flex joints provide expansion-contraction properties for soil movement so that Pro LITE works in all climates and soils. X-anchors allow gravel or grass infill to anchor the grid, making staking unnecessary. The heavy-duty 3-point locking tabs and modular design enable fast, easy DIY installation or installation by your local landscaper or paving contractor. TRUEGRID is 100% pervious and drains instantly at over 1,000 inches per hour. Stormwater is detained in the 40% void space in the rock in and below the grid. No puddles, no ponding or pooling. No mud, no ruts. With the patented ADA-compliant TRUEGRID system, you can drive on the surface, drain and detain water below. TRUEGRID pavers are made in the USA from 100% post-consumer recycled high-density polyethylene, saving plastic from oceans and landfills. True to your project, true to the environment.
Standartpark's EasyPave grass, gravel, and paving system is the #1 rated 100% permeable paving choice today, both for its design, durability, and ease of installation. Used for driveways and parking pads, both sloped and level, horse paddocks and livestock installations, full grass installations for parking and driving, and landscape erosion control for any area in your home. What makes EasyPave stand apart from all the rest is the design. It currently comes in 2 different color options: our standard black or green EasyPave if you wish to blend in with your grass install. EasyPave's dimensions are 2 inches in height, each unit is 26 by 18 inches, weighs 4 pounds per piece, and is covered by our lifetime warranty. The wave pattern design not only allows for a nice look when installation is complete, but serves the purpose of increased weight capacity, which is 80,000 pound load class. The wave pattern allows for no direct friction with tires and has raised perforations for traction in icy or snowy conditions as well, which no other permeable paver system has today. The EasyPave features a lily pad bottom design, which serves as its own base layer, meaning you do not need a base as the EasyPave will not press into the ground when wet. This means less work and less money for your installation. Installation of the EasyPave is just that, easy. However, let's break it down for you now step by step. To prep your ground, you just need to make sure it's smooth and remove all large rocks, or things that could get in the way of the EasyPave laying flat in that area. No base layers are needed in normal conditions. However, if you have extreme mud or what would be considered unworkable conditions, we suggest 1 to 2 inches of crushed gravel as a base layer. Grid connection is fast and simple, but let's show you the working pieces. On all 4 edges of the EasyPave, there are connection tabs and wave tabs. The connection tabs feature a gripping ramp for the slide and lock connection. This is where you slide the wave edge for each EasyPave connection. This makes for a tight horizontal lock that will not release during driving and pressure. You will then line up the wave pattern to the opposing connection ramp. After lining up the wave pattern, all you do next is slide the units together for connection. You will hear a click and then the grids are fully locked, leaving a seamless pattern. All corner units and edge units connect the exact same way as shown, making a seamless pattern throughout your entire installation. To make installation go quicker, we suggest connecting longer runs together first and then attaching them to the bulk of your installation. This really helps cut down on time. There's 2 anchors per grid for a hard lock to the ground underneath. No other paving system has this. Each grid has 4 T-anchor holes already on the grid. We recommend using 2 per grid, however 4 are there in case you decide to cut your grid or that specific anchor location is simply not possible. Line up the anchor with the T-hole and then hammer the anchor down through the grid until the anchor is flush with the bottom, leaving no protruding anchors sticking up for a nice flush top that is now fully secure. In conclusion, it's very simple. Prep your ground for your installation type, snap and lock connect all EasyPave to your installation size, anchor down the EasyPave to the ground, and then fill with your choice of gravel, soil, sand, grass, sod, or even leave it empty if you wish. And yes, you can cut the grid around any installation also. Our customers have been using EasyPave for many types of solutions, from extensions to the yards, large parking lots, horse paddocks and livestock areas, large driveway installations, even cold and icy installations, as the EasyPave can be plowed and it can be snowblowed as well. And every day we see customers doing more and more different things with our product. And as a reminder, our EasyPave is backed by our lifetime warranty. We thank you for giving EasyPave Grid a look, and we assure you that you will love the outcome as so many of our customers already have. If you ever have any questions, please give us a call. We are always here to help.